run through today's trade that was taken. And yeah, I mean this will probably be very quick, as it was very simple. Um, Something that came up to me again was as I went in to have a look why this didn't hit the full TP, even though I was out around here already. I'll show you guys now on the low time frame. Um, but I was still concerned why it didn't hit my full TP that as I marked it out, and obviously my zones was refined too much. So let's quickly go through it. We can obviously get the pros and the cons of today's trade. Always important to improve on the cons. But yeah, without taking much time, we could have seen that we are still bearish on the 4 hour, making lower lows and lower highs, and that is where the whole bearish bias came. If we have a look, let's quickly drop to the hourly. I'll explain to you guys now. So obviously this line here indicates just the open of session. As you guys can see, was just after open of session that I entered. If we can have a look here, so obviously with our bars being bearish, we just followed price action, and this was actually manually executed trade, which was, and I'm not even lying, that's exactly where I entered the trade. Very well executed, and obviously just stops above. Then this was my refund. Obviously, as you guys can see, my refund zone. If you have a look at the hourly, we will be able to see it there. But yeah, so let me first show you guys where I exited. Obviously, with the amount of risk I had or was involved with, I'm at around 4%. But yeah, this is somewhere where I exited. I did trail my stops, obviously, from these highs, but then after, I think it was this candle with, what's this? 5-6 pips to go. I just decided, okay, well, I'm happy with the trade. I'm actually happy with the week, to call it a week on a Monday morning. But yeah, so just to get back to the cons, obviously we discussed the pros. Just to get back to the cons, obviously my refinement of my zones was a little bit too refined, if I can put it like that. I didn't take care or take notice of obviously this 4 hour level of demand, and that's exactly where price reacted from. Luckily, like I said, I was out of the move. I did not participate any further. I was out for 1 to 4.5, 1 to 4, whatever. But yeah, I mean, nice little start to the week, nice little start to the month, nice little start. Oh no, it's not the end of the quarter, but last month to the second quarter. Yeah, I mean, let's just take it from here and capitalize. Have a good day. Cheers. See you guys tomorrow.